I found my lashes and that is something that I didn't think I would find. No, 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 no. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to our channel. I'm not actually from there, but I love doing accents. Anyways, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we are going to be doing a makeup look. I'm going to be teaching Shenyre how to do a halo eyes. I have no idea what a halo eye is, so I'm in for a treat, I'm sure. This is going to be fun. All right, let's get started. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and outline our brow. I don't have everything down here. Guys, we're on the floor. So outline the brow. So what do I need for that? Do you have a brow pencil?
I think I do. Niecy, I think you took my eyebrow
I
pencil.
did not. I put it back.
The Morphe one?
Yes.
Where'd you put it?
Wherever I found it.
It was in here. See y'all?
Okay, we're just looking.
She be stealing. Uh-oh, found it. Just kidding.
She be stealing though. We're gonna brush our hairs into the direction of growth.
Okay.
Then we're gonna take our pencil.
Girl, you moving fast. Let me catch up.
What I do to make sure that I don't start too close here, because you don't want a harsh beginning of your eyebrows, I line my pencil up with the corner of my eye, and that's where I'm gonna start. So at the bottom, I start right there. Okay. And you just want to go with the shape of your eyebrow. And then you're gonna go at the top.
All right. I already feel.
Okay.
Oh, I'm supposed to be at the top.
Okay.
Okay.
You gotta do the top and the bottom.
Ooh, I feel like I've already improved from the last time I did this.
I'm proud of you. Now we're gonna do the other eye.
Ooh, girl!
Did you do both eyebrows? I haven't even done the second eyebrow. You're so extra. No, they look fine.
Okay. So I'm just gonna pretend that I'm still doing stuff.
Or you can just watch.
Okay.
So you don't have to pretend.
Wow. That already looks like something. Like, I could just go now.
After you have outlined your brows, pick up your cream. Did you hear the voice crack?
I wasn't gonna say nothing.
Voice crack. You're gonna paint your brows in the way that they grow. Oh, what are you doing?
I'm also a little bit ashy.
And brush up and out.
Okay.
Take
Whoa.
this and go like this, lightly. Where you didn't put anything, just lightly though.
Okay. Why'd I do that?
Because you didn't put anything there, but you still want it to all kind of blend in.
Okay. Wow, Niecy. Today is a new day. And might I add, like, my eyebrows have not been done since that last video. Check out our eyebrow video, shameless plug. There's an eyebrow video where Shanice threads my eyebrows. They haven't been done since then. That was like what?
March.
That was March?
March or April, yeah.
No.
Yeah.
May.
That was, okay, maybe May. Still almost a year ago.
June. It's been a while. So I kind of, if these turn out right, I sort of kind of can never get my eyebrows done again.
Sure.
I don't know if I would recommend that, but
I wouldn't. What we're gonna do next is use our concealer under our eyebrow. And then you're gonna take, do you have a blender?
what's a blender?
Okay, so I have a brush as a blender, but you can use this or a wedge. You're gonna blend it out from under there. Okay, did you do your bottoms? Yeah, you did good.
Thanks.
All right. Next, I'm going to, did you hear it crack again? I don't know what's going on. Not puberty. I'm gonna give you this for your lid.
Is this my color?
Nope, but what you want to do when you get ready to put on eyeshadow is put on a lighter color. So I gave her that, and I'm using the shade 16 by Juvia. Remember, that's 12.
I'm 12.
And so now we're going to take a beauty blender, she has a wedge, and we're just going to blend out the color onto our eyelid. And I'm just blending all of the color sort of with my brush that I had used for the concealer. Next, we're going to use translucent powder.
What's the point of powder? Can you tell us the point of powder?
So I'm setting my primer so that my primer doesn't crease.
Mine is creasing.
We are going to do a halo eye. We are going to use the James Charles palette by Morphe and the 35O. Here's my nature palette by Morphe. That's the plan. Me and my sister are sharing.
Yay, I love sharing with you.
Do you?
I think so.
First thing we're gonna do is our transition. And so our transition is in this area right here. Now, my sister pointed out that I have a lot of eyelid space. Some people do not. I thought she had enough eyelid space. But my mom has said when I was younger, like, people would love to do makeup on you because your eyelids. Your transition is right here. It's not all this. All this you don't really want to touch. So where you put your concealer, that's not where you're touching.
I need to have my eyes up like this to get it.
I do, yes.
Okay.
We're gonna go in with Stamina from the 35O palette.
Okay.
03 palette. And I pat and then swipe. Or you can do my other method, which is circular motions.
How do I look, sis?
Good. You're doing good. When you transition, you go from darker to lighter going upwards. So we're about to go to James Charles's palette and we're gonna do 10% off, a little bit right here, and we're gonna just mix it slightly with Code James as well.
This is Stamina down here.
And Code James and 10% off. We're about to mix Code James and 10% off.
Same brush.
Same brush.
Okay.
Go kind of where it begins. You want to almost half it. So see how I
So
did
not
that?
all of it.
Right.
Sis, I ain't got that much space now.
It still looks good though.
Okay.
And just blend it out. Your blending skills are pretty nice though.
They are?
Yeah.
What? Right.
Buff it out.
Uh-oh.
Turn.
Right here, this little part right
yeah,
here?
there and there. Just a little bit.
Now how you buff?
Just kind of.
Do I need to clean this off first?
Sidebar. You can also buff with a clean brush, something that has not been in anything, but still has a similar consistency of that.
This would be a clean brush.
Yes, you can buff with that. Okay, now with the same brush, I cleaned it a little bit. Yes. Now with the same brush, we're gonna take just a little bit of Code James.
Okay, Code James.
And right above.
So this is the last up, so I can use the rest of the space I got.
Right.
Okay.
A little tap. You don't want too much.
Do you do a lip fold? Huh? Are you trying to?
I don't, but you know, some people might.
Kind of fold my lip. Somehow folding your lip makes it go on better. You know?
Mm-hmm. Sure.
Oh my.
You see your transition? Do you like it so far?
Oh my gosh! Ah! How's it look?
Good.
All right, girl. What? Who is this in the mirror?
E17, and I am going to get Benny.
Benny.
That's Benny. Where we originally put the transition color. No. Oh, the transition. Just a little bit, because Benny is really dark, so we're gonna tap it in, and then.
Or so we're just going on top of what we did.
Yeah.
Okay.
There we go. Let me see. Oh yeah, you did good.
Okay. I don't have as much space, so.
Well, what you're working with, you're doing great.
All right, I'm doing great, guys. You hear that?
Now for the fun part. Going back to this, and we're gonna use Hypnotic in these corners.
Oh my.
It's really not hard, I promise.
You working with like 5 feet? I got 1.
You can do it too.
Okay.
Hypnotic, everybody.
Oh, that's me. That's my cue.
I'm going to buff it right here. Pat and circle, pat and circle.
Pat and circle, pat and circle. Gotta fold my lip again. Can't talk through it this time. I just gotta say it in my mind.
Look what I'm doing on this side. Gotta do lip fold.
You gotta do the lip fold. It helps. Okay. No, you're okay is not it.
So you went in too deep, but we'll clean it up.
Sis, I don't have a lot of eye space. I was already coloring.
I should have told you to put your eyes in thirds.
Yeah.
So now in a third of your corner, because you're gonna need this middle section, you're gonna do the same thing. Pat and circle.
Yeah, the whole thing is gonna be purple.
That's all right. We'll clean it up. So now we're gonna go back in with Stamina and blend this out right up here. We're gonna basically like reset her eyes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm basically giving her a middle. We're going. So a halo eye is the 2 corners are dark and the center is light. So now we're gonna go in with a light color for the center. So for the center, we're gonna use So Good. We're gonna put it right in the center.
The whole thing.
All of what I just put on your eye.
Okay. I guess you gotta pack it to really let it come through.
So now we're gonna blend Stamina and Benny. Stamina on one side of my brush, Benny on the other. So Stamina, Benny, Stamina, Benny. Now the method I'm using is a method that I have made up that happens to work for me. So you want Benny on the bottom, Stamina at the top, and you're gonna go in and sweep a motion like this. Now we're going back with Hypnotic and brushing it in. For the last step, whatever you still have on your brush, I personally just do like a little bit of a sweep to kind of connect it. Doing my eyeliner. I'm doing it at the base of my eyelashes so that when I go to put my lashes on, I kind of have a guide. I found my lashes and that is something that I didn't think I would find. No, 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 no. Last time, you're gonna take your lashes, and I don't know if you can see, but this is longer on this side. This is a shorter side. The shorter side goes in the corner of your eye. Shenyre uses tweezers.
Yeah.
I use my hands. You're gonna politely.
I use my tweezers. I mean my hands too. I just stick it up there with tweezers.
Oh, I'm sticking with everything because I like to kind of pinch.
I may be getting ahead of myself, but if there's, I'm not the makeup guru, but I will wear some lashes.
Yeah, she actually forced me to learn how to put lashes on. I was content with my mascara. So we both have two different methods when it comes to lashes, actually.
I'll explain. I blow on the lash so that it can kind of like tacky up, and then I'll bend it. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'll bend it kind of like a caterpillar. That's what they look like. So that it'll have the curvature of the lash. Oh, girl, who are you? Nice to meet you. This is mink hair.
You got an animal on your lash.
Sorry, mink inspired.
Oh,
I don't have mink. This is 100% virgin Remy hair. I don't wear weave, but I'm familiar with the Remy. I know that's supposed to be good. Okay, that looks good. What you said? Good Lord, girl.
I told you mine are touching the ceiling.
You can still see your halo.
You can see yours when you blink.
Yeah, when I blink.
But it's not bad. A little more.
Oh, more?
Pigment.
Okay.
A friend of mine is getting married in October, guys, and I'm doing me and Shenyre's makeup, and she said she was going to start getting her makeup done at 10. And the way I'm set up, we're all going to be starting at 10 because none of us walking down that aisle with our faces not beat. Absolutely not. That's not how this works.
I mean, I know. Here's the thing. Can we just say this really quick? I don't believe in half-stepping ever. And I'm not the friend that's going to tell you to downplay yourself so I can shine. No. I've been around people who tell me, don't be all extra.
What?
Extra? I'm not extra. Get out of here. So all I'm saying is I feel like people can dress the way that they want to dress without me having to feel intimidated by them looking good.
Yep.
If you look good, you feel good. And so why would I not want people to feel good when we're all hanging out?
Bingo. All right, so the bottom lashes, I use my trusty dusty. Who is this even by? Maybelline.
Great lash. Maybelline, that's the best.
I love this, and I'm just putting it at the bottom of my lashes.
I don't have any, so I'm going to use their real. It's the more expensive stuff by benefit.
So you can do your highlight one of two ways. Naira is using Frenzy in the palette that we have. And I'm going to use the Tribe Highlighter Volume 2 by Julia. I'm going to tap it in here. She's going to tap it in Frenzy. And we're just going to, right here, do a nice little circle. Now our eyes are done, but Shanice is not. I'm going to take this and tap it in the highlighter in my nose. Right on my bridge cheek. And with this brush, I'm gonna tap and dust. Just a tap. I said one tap and I saw you do two. And we're gonna dust it right up here.
Amazing. I did makeup today. My sister walked me through it. I was kind of worried.
Yeah, I know you were. Are you listening to me or are you shopping?
I'm shopping with it, by the way.
For the lips, I'm gonna take a clear angled eyeliner brush and I'm gonna line my lips with a brown. This is actually dip brown pomade. I'm just gonna finish it off with this.
Deep lip?
We're gonna ombre it.
I'm not new to this. I'm true to this.
This is the finished look.
Good. I look like a different person.
You like it?
I do. Now, it's time for me to pick out.
And we will see you all next time. See ya.